Very good morning.
I'm representing Goa Science Center here. We have kept some few scientific things over here. I'll show you this one experiment here. I have two cards with me. You have to tell me which card is taller. Red or the blue
Which
one?
card is blue one?
Yeah, blue one.
Yes.
Now,
Red one.
actually they both are of equal size. This is the example of optical illusion. It depends on which hand you are noticing which curve. When I hold this card on this hand, you are noticing this
Yes,
curve.
correct.
And you are noticing on this hand, this curve. Because of the curves, you will see that this one is taller and this one is small. But actually they both are of equal size.
Pleasure to be here because we have been celebrating the World International Tourism Day on 27th of September, and on this occasion we have been organizing this Tourism Expo at the Goa Science Center. I remember when Mr. Durga Prasad had visited my office and then said that this expo has been organized from last 2 years, and he wanted that the same thing to continue so that the students and the tourists, whoever coming to Goa Science Center, can also understand what are the other areas of tourism related, so that they can, the next visit, they can plan to visit these places. Because whenever people come to Goa, as said, like they always love to be on beaches, they like to see the beaches of Goa. But then besides the beaches, there are many things which need to be captured or seen in Goa, and that is the reason why we are holding this tourism expo, so that people can
taken by the Science Center. We all talk about the need to inculcate the scientific temper amongst us. So events like this definitely turn on the focus and provide you an opportunity to visit the center, understand various functionalities of the center, try and understand the practical applications of science. So that way science becomes very interesting. You can learn the various basic principles of science by looking at practical demonstration. So I think that becomes all the more, learning becomes all the more fun. And I'm sure you will agree with us that the kind of demonstrations that have been set up are very interesting. And you will also find it interesting because it is like your own textbooks have sprung out to life and they are talking to you as to how science has to be applied.
The beaches and the places in this Goa, beaches which are starting from Kankon to my constituency, which are called Kirim in Penlen Taluka, is gifted by God. Till now we only aware that the gifted by God to this Goa and Goan are not only the beaches, but considering there are only sun, sea and sand. And many of our tourists, in which maybe from a national, international level, the image of Goa in their mind, that to go Goa, to go to the beaches gifted by God, what will be the condition of the beaches, to have something else, need not to take the name of this, which comes the bottle, different types of bottles. By keeping in our mind, by following our vision to change the Goa, along with the gifted beauty by God, many places like this old Goa churches, even under hinterland tourism, we have to go to the zoo called Bonla Zoo. During my childhood time, when I was studying in the school, or when I was primary school, we used to go to the picnic, especially in the old Goa, the Bonla. That time Bonla, and if you can see today's Bonla, there is a lot of difference there. But we have to get back the beauty of the previous Bonla. So we are trying our level best, and accordingly we have already submitted our proposal to our central government.